Hello and welcome to this VTC training series on Microsoft Office Access 2007. My name is Tim Warner, and I am privileged to be your instructor for this tutorial series. I'm really excited about it, and I hope you are too. In this series, we're going to get up to speed with Microsoft Access 2007. As you probably know, Access 2007 is a relational database system, a relational database application that's part of the 2007 Microsoft Office suite. Now, I make no assumptions about where you're coming from in terms of why you want to learn Access 2007. I don't know if you're just a computer nerd like I am and you want to learn a new tech skill, or if maybe you're in a job position that requires you to have some proficiency with the product. Either way, we're going to begin at the ground floor, establish a really nice foundation, and then gradually get to know how to build and maintain databases in Access 2007. Now, those of you who have used earlier versions of the product, such as Access 2003, will probably be in for a little bit of a surprise because the Office 2007 applications, at least most of them, and certainly including Access, have a radically revamped user interface. So you'd probably be best served by watching this tutorial series sequentially, that is to say, beginning at the beginning, proceeding until the end, and then saying you're done, to paraphrase Lewis Carroll's Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. So, in the first leg of our journey together, what we're going to do is just understand the nomenclature, or the terminology, that goes into relational database systems, and we're going to see how Access 2007 fits into that schema. Once we've done that, we'll open the product and just get familiar with the user interface, basically like test driving a car, knowing where the speedometer is, knowing where the emergency brake is. And then, as I said, we'll just gradually and gently get deeper and deeper into Access 2007. We'll be importing data from a variety of different sources. We'll be creating databases, obviously. We'll be building tables and customizing them. We'll be doing queries and reports and all sorts of fascinating stuff. So again, I welcome you to this series, and I encourage you to just practice as you work through. One nifty thing that I've always liked with VTC products, because besides being a VTC instructor, I'm also a customer, and I've used these products a lot. And if you're a child of the 80s like I am, you got that reference to Cy Sperling and Hair Club for Men, but that's another story. But as I was saying, VTC products are especially nice because you can work with me in a particular movie and learn a skill, and then simply pause the video, pop open your own copy of Access 2007, and immediately apply that skill. I've been teaching for about 11 years now, all of it adult education, so I'm definitely in tune with the principle of adult education that says relevancy rules. How is what I'm learning now going to relate to what I need to do in my job or in my personal life? So, with no further ado, why don't we get started?